Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to make a stained sunflower table. First I outlined the shape that I wanted to cut the wood into in chalk so it wipes off easily. Then I took the scroll saw and started cutting out on that chalk outline. After cutting it all out, the next step was to glue the pieces together and sand it all down. Then I painted the whole thing with coffee to give it a yellowish tint. After freehanding the sunflower with Kona stain, I started shading in the outline a little bit, still with the same stain. And now I'm taking yellow food coloring and outlining the edges with it. You'll notice that the sunflower and the bee have a little bit of a yellow tint to it. That is from the coffee stain that we applied before placing down the stain. And this is what it looks like after highlighting it with the yellow food coloring. After highlighting with the yellow food coloring, I used a little bit of gray stain to highlight the face of the bee, and then I used the Kona to do a second layer to make the outline a lot darker on both the bee and the flower. And then finally I'm going to go over the main background with another layer of the Kona as well to make it darker. This is what it looks like after the last layer of the Kona stain on the background. And once this is completely dry, the last step is to seal it with a polyurethane finish. This is the final product after adding the polyurethane finish to it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more quarantine projects.